Let's use Desmos to actually do a little bit of just arithmetic. We can actually have Desmos add for us. You can do 2 plus 3 if you want to, and it'll give you the answers 5, as you can see right there. You can also have it do square roots. You can either type in SQRT for square root, and it'll type in the square root symbol for you. If you don't like that and you can't remember that, square root is SQRT is a pretty common one for computers, but if you want, you can click on this little, looks like a keypad at the bottom of your screen. And you can see here you've got different choices to do here. You actually have a square root button right there, and you can type in the square root of 4, and it'll give you back the answers too. If you want to do a square root of, let's say, 49, type in 49, and you'll see the answer 7. If you want to do cube roots, we can also do cube roots. Those are actually easier to get into functions. If you're going to click on the functions button, you're going to see different functions you can pick. You've got trig functions, stats functions, the distribution functions, and miscellaneous. In the miscellaneous, it actually has an nth root button. So if you click on this nth root, you can type in 3 as your index, and then you can type in 8 as your cube root, and you'll see it gives you the answer 2. If you want to put in a -8, you'll get a -2. So you can do this to get those answers. If we go back again, and you don't have to get rid of these every time, you can keep them if you want to. We can do the square root of -4, and you're going to see it's going to tell you it's undefined. So those are the options you can do. You can also, if you want to, type in 25, or let's say 25. You want to raise that to to a certain power. You can either click this button here, this A to the B, to let you do a certain power. You can also hit the little caret, and it'll give you the power right there. And you can do 3 divided by 2. That means so the 3 has power, which means it's going to take the square root of 25 and then cube it, which is 125. So you can use this idea to do this. If, by the way, you had made this a -25, you'll again get that undefined. So you've got different options to do here. If you want to do the nth root, let's say the 4th root of 12 cubed, again, we'll go into functions. We'll get that nth root. We want to do the 4th root of 12 cubed. Again, you can either hit the A to the X button or A to the B button, and then you can type in your cube, and then you'll get the approximate answer there. So these are different options you can do using this as a calculator.